Hello and welcome to the International School of Traders and welcome to our Thursday live trading session. Guys, my name is Ngwemti. I'm the CEO and founder of the International School of Traders. I'm going to go through the markets as we used to do. I'm going to go through the markets, but I'm going to start off with the news items that we have today. Really want to discuss this. Okay, cool. On the news items today, there is a couple of news that we've already received earlier today, especially the GDP coming from Singapore and a couple of news coming also from South Africa. The manufacturing production, which came out as negative, and then also and manufacturing production year on year and month on month, which of them came out as negative, right? Cool. The OPEC report has I believe it's just been released now, but in the next couple of, or in less than 2 hours, we are going to be looking at the producer price index in the US, coming out at 2:30 South African time. That is PPI year on year and also month on month. Then the one to look out for is going to be the initial jobless claims in the US and also the PPI producer price index coming out at 2:30 South African time. Okay, cool. Is there anything to look out for after that? There is going to be a couple of news coming from China. Right, and then I believe that there will be very, very mild. The outstanding loan growth, the new loans, and all of those things will be coming out at quarter past three South African time. Those are the news that we are looking at today. Okay, now let's look into the very important things for today. We are going to be looking at the setups that we've already discussed earlier today, but also some of them, some of you may not know what's really going on in the markets today. So let's look into the couple of setups that we are looking at today. We're looking at Euro USD, right? This is a very, very important chart. This is a very, very important setup for me. Euro USD on a 1 hour time frame. I've been looking at this. Yesterday, we were looking to buy very, very low here, but market did not retrace to those levels. But now we are looking to buy a little higher than that on a 1 hour time frame. You can see that level as the 1.0268 level. That is where I wish to buy Euro USD moving forward. We do have other trades and setups. USD CAD, I'm not looking at anything today, but yesterday we did predict something very beautiful on USD CAD on smaller time frames. We were predicting that the market is going to go down. Actually, we're looking at markets coming down from these levels towards the downside. If you were here yesterday, if you're looking at the things that we discussed yesterday, you should have been in profit, or if you took that trade or anything like that. But it's not a big deal. We are looking for other trades and setup as well for today, moving forward. And then there is a trade that I sent out yesterday, which is GBP-USD. I'm not really GBP-USD, but GBP-JPY. On this particular trade and setup, we are looking to hold for the next number of pips on GBP-JPY as we are buying GBP-JPY towards the top side. That is my expectation. I'm expecting markets to push further towards the top side. This is what I'm expecting. This is GBP-JPY on a 1 hour time frame. Then we do have Euro GBP, right? Euro GBP, which is the trade and the setup that I sent out yesterday. Now, according to GBP, Euro GBP, the expectation yesterday was to see markets coming down or pushing to these levels, right? Pushing to this level and then changing direction towards the downside, right? So this right here is Euro GBP on a 4 hour time frame, expected to reach at least the 61.8. We've already sent out a sell limit order in this particular case. And if you are doing that, please do use proper risk management. And none of these things are to be considered as financial advice. Please do remember that, right? Okay, cool. And then AUDSD, really, I'm not impressed. And then GBPSD, GBPSD, this is my outlook on GBPSD. First, we've got the FIB levels coming out and nicely. And in this particular case, I am expecting markets to push a little bit further to the 61.8 or even deeper than that. I haven't checked the smaller time frames. I believe this for me is a good or better setup which I can follow throughout the day towards the top side on GBP USD, GBP USD in this particular case. And then the last one is going to be USD JPY. For me, USD JPY has been moving nicely even yesterday, moved according to plan. Now, what should we expect on this particular setup, which is USD-JPY? For me, I'm expecting USD-JPY to push a little bit further or even deeper than these levels that you are seeing here, around 134.823. Around those zones, I'm expecting to see a change. I'm expecting to see something moving, and then I can decide whether I want to sell or something. But this is my outlook at the moment on GBP USD. So just to catch up on something, some very cool setup, I believe. One of my brothers yesterday in the group caught a very beautiful buy. Got a very beautiful buy on gold. Okay. I don't know what happened to this chat, but it's okay. So just to recap, USD-JPY is expected to reach these levels, change direction towards the downside. We are going to send a signal if that does happen according to our plan. Then GBPSD is expected to retrace a little bit around the 61.8, and then we can target previous areas of resistance around 1.22899, right? Cool. And then we do have Euro GBP in place. This one is approaching our sell limit order. And then we do have Euro GBP JPY, which is an order which is still active from yesterday. And then we do, okay, we do not have Euro USD CAD, but we do have Euro USD in place here. Euro USD in place over here. So in this particular case, okay, these are the trades that we have for today. There is a couple of trades and setup that we can have throughout the day, but for now, this is what we have on the markets. Now, please do remember that we are open here in Richards Bay. If you're around KZN, you can come through, come and see us, come and have a session with us. If you are in the KZN area. And then for all our people in Johannesburg or surrounding areas, we will be announcing a date for our session in Johannesburg anytime soon. I'm looking to have you guys on a strategy session in Johannesburg. And then, these are the things that we are doing so that we can equip you and have you acquainted and be on the right side of things of the markets, right? I believe that that's all for now. I will see you guys. Okay, I'm not seeing any question here. Okay, cool. I will see you guys. I will see you guys on the other side of the withdrawals. Shalom. If there's any question, just post it on the group and then we'll take it together. Shalom.